Two game-changing e-commerce platforms, both trusted by millions. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Shopify, scalable power for serious commerce. And on the right, Squarespace Commerce, stunning stores made simple. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what actually matters for your online store in 2025. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll have a clear winner for your business needs. The result might surprise you. All right, let's lay out the battlefield. Here, what we're comparing: pricing, selling and e-commerce features, inventory management, design and templates, plugins and integrations, analytics and marketing tools, scalability and growth, and ease of use. Seriously, if you care about any of those, we're about to go deep. Ready? Let's go. First up, pricing. Shopify rolls out with super transparent pricing and zero hidden fees, which you love to see. But here's the kicker: if you want fancier features or advanced stuff, the cost definitely jumps up. Oh, and unless you stick to Shopify payments, transaction fees can sneak in. Now, Squarespace Commerce, they come in cheaper at the starting line, no sneaky transaction fees on their higher plans, and honestly, if you're small, it's extra affordable. But here's the rub: with lower tiers, you're missing out on some advanced features, so you may want a budget for upgrades. Subtle nod to Squarespace here, it just makes dollars and cents for most small shops. Next, selling and e-commerce features. Shopify is kind of a beast here, not gonna lie. You get automated order fulfillment, native payments like So Smooth, support for over 100 gateways, crazy multi-channel selling, think Facebook, TikTok, Amazon, and discounted shipping rates. It's a powerhouse for scaling up, though honestly it might seem like a lot if you're just getting started. But Squarespace Commerce, super easy subs, native payments with Stripe, Square, and PayPal, gorgeous product pages, they just look good. But wait, the pain point: you're dealing with manual order stuff and way fewer sales channel connections. This one's all Shopify, straight up. Alright, on to inventory management. Shopify, okay, it's detailed, gives you analytics, lets you go wild with up to 2,000 variants, multi-location support, and some seriously advanced filtering. There's a catch, though: it's much better if you've got a big store. On the flip side, Squarespace makes it super simple, organized by basic fields, easy to manage if you only have a handful of products. But if you start to scale, not so ideal. Shopify grabs this by a mile. Oh, and here's something cool you maybe didn't know. Shopify powers like 4.5 million e-commerce sites all around the globe. Crazy, right? And Squarespace, honestly, it's kind of iconic for powering some of the most stunning portfolios you'll ever see online. Design and templates coming up next. This is where, honestly, Squarespace just flexes. Shopify's got the numbers: over 880 templates, slick professional options, but a lot of the good stuff, you're shelling out big bucks. Themes can be $140, $400, sometimes even more. Squarespace, over 186 templates, and almost a quarter are built for shops. Switching them is super easy, the design is basically legendary. Seriously, if you want a beautiful storefront with zero hassle, Squarespace wins. Advanced custom geeks may find it limiting, but for most folks, Squarespace is the crowd pleaser. Let's talk plugins and integrations now. Shopify comes out swinging, 8,000 plus apps in its ecosystem, something for everything: marketing, shipping, analytics, automation, you name it. The only tiny downer is, some of those extras do add up if you keep installing, but honestly it's a powerhouse for scaling and customizing. Squarespace does the basics, about 100 integrations, not bad, and they've got key partners like TaxJar and MailChimp, plus Google Analytics, but let's be real. The choices are way fewer and you're a bit boxed in. Shopify sweeps this category. On to analytics and marketing tools. Shopify packs built-in advanced analytics, super robust marketing stuff, SEO, social, email. You get AI tools for copy and ad campaigns, multi-channel marketing. It's wild though, sometimes you'll need a bit of guidance to use all that magic. Squarespace does a good job with integrated analytics and SEO helper, supports Google Analytics, MailChimp, and even Meta's Pixel, but you're gonna run into limits with marketing automations. So Shopify takes this one too, not even close. Now, scalability and growth. Shopify is pretty much built for taking over the world, optimized for high growth, supports crazy complex catalogs, international payments and shipping, and honestly it feels more like an enterprise solution if you want it. Of course, the advanced stuff means you'll probably need to learn a bit. Squarespace? Ridiculously easy for those just starting out or if you're running a personal brand, but try to go bigger or more complex and it'll struggle. Shopify snags this win, no question. Last, ease of use. Shopify's got a guided setup and a dashboard that feels really nice if you know what you're doing. Downside? Beginners might find it a bit overwhelming, especially with all those features. It's onboarding heavy. Squarespace Commerce is a dream here. Drag and drop, rapid setup, literally no coding needed. You might need a plugin for advanced stuff, but for everyday use, Squarespace is crazy simple. For user-friendliness, Squarespace wins hands down. So, if you're looking at their scores side by side, Shopify is just dominating in features, scalability, and integrations, but Squarespace, yeah, it sneaks in with wins for design, ease of use, and pricing for smaller shops. Just depends where you're headed, really. Alright, so my final take? If you're chasing serious growth and you want the heavy-duty e-commerce tools, Shopify is absolutely the pick. But if beautiful design, easy setup, and straightforward pricing make more sense for your brand, or you just want simplicity, Squarespace is honestly the perfect match for entrepreneurs and artists. Want to build your next store? Compare templates, integrations, and growth tools from both platforms before you launch. Your dream shop is just a decision away.